Okay, Invitation Homes. I've been out here for 3 hours so far. That's not including all the time I was out here before, but here is your noxious weed blackberry problem. I've taken 7 of these boxes, which is probably 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot, up to the yard waste bins, and I still have 1, 2, oh my god, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 probably more loads. So I just want to make sure that I'm going to get my deposit back. There's your bush trimmed, and there's a carpet underneath the deck which was covered by debris, and it's not mine, and I'm not going to get charged for it, or I will take you people to court. So just giving a little video showing what I've been doing.